Well, batting for the right to equality of education, the Karnataka High Court today expressed concerns over the condition of government schools in the state. The High Court said that the government schools in Karnataka are lacking the basic facilities like toilets and drinking water. Pulling up the state government, the High Court said that the poor is forced to send their children to the private schools, and the court also went on to say that the government's failure to provide the basic infrastructure in schools is pushing people who cannot even afford 3 meals a day to send their children to the private schools. Now, questioning the government as well, the Karnataka High Court asked if the quality education is the right of the privileged only. The court also observed that despite the issue being raised first in 2013, no action has been taken to provide quality education in government schools across the state. Meanwhile, my colleague Neha spoke to Karnataka Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa, who said that the government is making all efforts to provide better facilities in the government schools. Listen in.
We're being joined right now by the Education Minister, Mr. Madhu Bangarappa. So I have to ask you, this has been a persistent problem. Governments have come and gone, but the state of government schools, do not really improve. 464 schools, the court says, do not have washrooms and drinking water facilities.
No, one thing is, see, this is across the state, these problems are there, which I have been constantly even exchanging all these things with the media also. So when I took over, these problems were there from the past. So I don't want to blame the past government or anything. That's not my business now. I have to address the issues, okay? So that is the reason we are going for a little bigger schools with a bigger capacity, so that whatever honorable court has identified, they are practical problems which has to be addressed and which can be addressed over a period of time with a limited, not that I'm going to take years together or anything. So we have already, and when I took over as a minister, already schools had started. So even, see, I have about 53 students, 53,000 children have left over a period of 5 years. Children choose government schools not only for education, but a lot of other facilities. Might be midday meals, which is going to help them also. But what has happened over a period is, if 53,000 people have gone to another government school, it is okay. But they have gone to different kind of schools other than government school. See, that is where we'll have to point out. And then if I have a better school somewhere, there are examples where if there is a nearer school which doesn't have a better facility, so there are so many times they have shifted to a better government school. I think, see, that's the catch. So we have to have a good government school. Even if it is little far also, it is okay. Children will be sent to those schools. So as Honorable Court has identified, I do agree that, these people, we have to bring in. So my challenges are to stop it immediately, and secondly, stop children going out of government school from as early as possible. At the same time, bring them back, give that facility what they have gone for. Okay. That is this thing. And we can give, that's not a problem. But I need little time for.
It is shameful on the part of Karnataka government that High Court has to interfere regarding the maintenance of the schools and providing basic facilities like lavatory and drinking water. It is a fundamental duty of the government to provide. Now, this is natural. The people will turn towards private schools. It is the government should immediately act and provide all basic facilities.